Ramchandra Gowda is one of our close relative. He has been working as a carpenter from the very downtrodden. He has been working there. And it is one of the big family of the Bangalore West. We know them very well. From carpenter to a graduate constituency, he has been elected for a very long time in Bangalore and served as a minister in various capacities. He never crossed the limit of political ethics. He was very to the point. He has been discussed. Whatever the speeches he has done in the assembly, council and assembly in various issues, he was limited to his subjects. So a great leader, a common man. You could see the lot of following with him in the party and outside the party. With a great culture was his big strength. His ethical values was very much important. So on behalf of Government of Karnataka, we are honoring him with respect. With the state honor, we want to send him. So we all are deeply shocked. He wanted to come to my swearing ceremony. He was my relative, close relative, but his health did not permit. I also wanted to come and visit last 3-4 days back, but I could not make it up. So I am also very much guilt on this issue. Anyway, may his soul rest in peace. Let all his followers, family members will come out of this shock, and may God bless all of them.
Sir, BJP stands on Tirumala protocol issues, sir, after your statement.
See, I am telling you, I am telling you, it is a respect of a Karnataka state. We will go by the protocol, we will discuss with the authorities, there is nothing. It is an opportunity to pray God by one of our officers. The first Aarti belongs to Karnataka. That Aarti, an officer will go. Instead, an officer, sometime a legislator may go, parliament members may go, some other officials may go. It is one and same. We will not break the protocol, whatever is there in the Tirupati Tirumala board. Definitely we will discuss with them. We will explain to our decision, we will take them into confidence, and we will not bar. There are so many mutts and other people does this Aarti, but Karnataka has its own history. So we will go by that. There is nothing wrong. People may criticize. I welcome the criticism. Nothing is hard and fast rule. So 2 members can present the Aarti. All our MLAs are also public representative. The government officials are the public representative. They pray for the state. They pray for the country. They pray for the humanity. Lord belongs to everyone. So let everyone of the state, irrespective of political party, the MLAs, some mayors, or whoever at the point of time they are in Tirupati, they will be getting an opportunity. They will register that I am going on this day. So they should be respected. Not only ministers and others will get priority, but even let legislators also get the priority of praying for the Lord Venkateshwara. That is humanity.
Sir, regarding the Bidri township yesterday, farmers and government against the government, sir.
I don't want why they are arguing about politics. We don't want to muddle with which. We respect the sentiment of the farmers. They have their doubt, but JDS and BJP is politicalizing issue. Let they do. We respect the law. We are not in a hurry. We don't want to disrespect the farmers. But the law doesn't permit me to drop the proceedings. That is the law. We respect the law. Anyway, we will take care of the farmers.
Also slants on FIR against the farmers, sir.
Let they do whatever they are doing politics. It is purely Mr. Kumaraswamy started this project. Kumaraswamy could have dropped it. If he had powers, he could have dropped it. He was chief minister twice. For all this, Mr. Kumaraswamy and BJP is responsible. They doesn't want growth. They doesn't want development. They want politics. Why did they do acquisitions for various companies around Bangalore when he was the chief minister? All the Biddi industrial town has been done. Arwad industrial town has been done. Are they not farmers? Even these people also our people. I have given them very good composition. I think ultimately it will be sorted out. We don't want to trouble any farmers. We'll take them into confidence. We'll move forward.
It's the same stand you